I have created a presentation on the different shots and camera angles that I will use in my trailer. I feel as though this is important as the camera angles and shots really impact upon each genre of the trailer and really add to the suspense and impact that you would want to receive. The first shot type is a low angle. A low angle shot gives a character a lot more power, and in my case I will use it for in comparison with the villains and victims. This is a very common but effective use of camera shots as it's quite subtle but it has a large impact. The next shot is an extreme close-up. An extreme close-up is good to use in an intense situation as you can really get a good look of the character's expression and what's going on in their face. It is also good for when you're focusing on two specific different characters. This is so you can pick out the contrast in one another due to them normally being polar opposites, so you're able to see the expression on one in comparing to the other. I am planning to use this shot type a lot in my trailer as I feel like the intensity can also make the viewers feel a bit uncomfortable, and that's almost what I want to display in my trailer as I feel like this goes really well with the thriller genre. A high angle shot is quite similar to a low angle shot as you can really identify the characters through these camera angles. For my trailer, I plan to use a high angle shot a lot to show how powerless and vulnerable the victims are, in contrast to how powerful the villain then is. I think this really gives a good impact and shows how scared you should be of the villain, and almost makes the viewer as well feel quite uncomfortable. Long distance shots are used quite a lot in trailers, so you can get a good image of the scenery that you will then see in the film. I really like these shots as I think they offer a lot of impact. That's why I plan to use a lot of these shots in my trailer. I think these angles are great for the running through field clips and make you feel as though you were actually in the trailer as you get to see so much of the scenery around the character.